Hi and welcome back to another 90-second fix. Today I'd like to talk about sharing or distributing your specifications. Now these might be fix APIs or proprietary protocols. API documentation is hugely overlooked in a very unloved area of our business. It's just too easy for people to say my spec doesn't change all that often, so there's no point spending any time on it. Or customers demand a PDF, so I'll just copy some template somewhere and that's enough. The simple fact is that while you cling to your Word document, you and your customers will forever be re-entering the same information again and again. Every new customer needs to re-input your messages and tags in order to be able to code against your API. So instead of asking yourself how often your API changes, ask yourself how frequently customers actually code to it. You'll be re-entering messages and fields to yourself, hard coding them in QA or certification tools, or in monitoring and reporting processes. Now, I've talked about the benefits of machine-readable specs in other videos, so I don't want to cover that again here. Instead, I want to talk about some of the common misconceptions we hear. We often hear people suggesting that emailing out a PDF is somehow more secure than other means of distribution, such as a password-protected portal. This is complete nonsense. While you control who you initially send it to, you have zero control over what they then do with it, who they forward it onto, whether they download it, or how they use it at all. Once you've hit send, it's gone and you can never get it back. Now compare that to a password-protected portal that can control and withdraw access, block downloads, track forwards, and collect statistics on who's accessing it. If you're worrying about IT security right now, ask yourself how secure emailing a PDF actually is. The other question here is, why is there a PDF at all? Why isn't it just a web page? Well, nobody prints these documents anyway, so what's the difference? Most of the APIs in the world are REST, and the vast majority of those are documented in web pages, yet almost every single fix spec is a PDF. Why? We hear all sorts of excuses, none of which seem to hold water. It's about versioning or branding, or customers demand PDFs. But let's be real. Putting a spec online requires a documentation website and the skills to be able to post it, neither of which most firms have. These things are, however, very easy to do, and online specs sit perfectly alongside customer portals and machine-readable specs. All you need to do is take that first step. I hope that this has given you some food for thought. Please get in touch if you want to talk about any of the ideas here. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next 90-second fix.